is definitely a surprise for passengers. So these are food supplements for the butterfly because I enjoy helping people. Hi, welcome to Changi. I'm Pangon, you can call me Poloh, and I'm a CSA or Changi Service Ambassador. We are a group of volunteers dedicated to enhancing the Changi experience and assisting passengers to creating memorable experiences. Today I'll be sharing how travelers can make the most out of their journey through Changi Airport, and here are some of the hidden tips and experiences. Let's go! Traveling in a huge airport like Changi can sometimes be very overwhelming, especially when you're rushing for a flight. You can always approach a Changi Service Ambassador wearing purple vest like mine. We help passengers to locate airport facilities and services, whether they are looking for boarding gate or airport amenities. Don't hesitate to ask for help. If our Changi ambassadors are busy engaging passengers, you can also use the virtual CA. Sometimes when we meet passengers whose flights are delayed, you show them this little tip in the Changi app. Look at the time. It's almost time for ukulele performance. Let's go. If you're traveling through Terminal 3 on Mondays and Saturdays, do look out for a ukulele performance at the Crystal Garden. These performances create a cheerful atmosphere and offer travelers a warm and memorable welcome. It's definitely a surprise for passengers. As a Changi Service Ambassador, we support passengers who require special assistance, and we also go through training at the Care at Changi program. The Calm Room is designed for travelers who may experience sensory overload. This may include neurodivergent individuals and their caregivers. This room offers a soothing and safe space where they can take a moment to regulate and recharge before their flight. Welcome to Butterfly Garden. I'm also doing the tour guide for the Butterfly Garden. These are feeder station. The pineapple slices, when they ripen or decay, actually produces a lot of sugar. So these are food supplements for the butterflies. You can find it around the garden. This is my favorite butterfly. It's called a bird wing. So now it's in season. The reason why I became a CSA is because I enjoy helping people and seeing the smiles on their faces. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed Changi. Don't forget to say hi when you see us around. Bye!